Okay, guys, I am going to read this to you so you can finish filling out the chart that I had laid out for you last week. Section 2, Native Americans and the Environment. After the last ice age, there was a change in the climate that affected the plants and animals found in each area. Different areas each have their own environment: sunlight, air, water, land, animals, insects, and plants are part of an environment. A variety of environments appeared across North America following the Ice Age. Over time, early Native Americans settled in environments that differed greatly from one another. One feature of an environment is its climate. The climate supports certain kinds of vegetation. But remember, vegetation is what grows in an area. That's not in the reading. I just made that as a footnote. Animals can live in that climate and eat. The plants thrive. An environment also has natural resources, which include soil, water, trees, and minerals such as copper. Things that people and animals eat, like nuts, berries, and other wildlife, are natural resources too. In each place, people survived by changing their ways of life. They used what was around them in order to build homes, make clothes, and get food. Their homes and clothing were made to fit the climate. Look at the 4 natural environments shown. What do the images tell you about climate, vegetation, and natural resources of each environment? One environment Native Americans lived in was grasslands. Some grasslands in North America get only enough rain to support different types of grasses. Sorry, I lost my place. Since most trees and bushes need more water to survive. A second type of environment Native Americans settled in was the desert, which gets very little rain. People living in the desert areas often dig wells and ditches to get enough water for drinking and for raising crops. Some Native Americans live in the rainy and snowy mountain regions of North America. While forests of pine, fir, and spruce often grow below the highest points, the tops of mountains have little or no plant life. Other groups settled in the Arctic ice fields, which are near the North Pole. Here, huge sheets of ice cover the land for most of the year. Most Native Americans chose areas that were rich in natural resources. These environments had mild climates and plenty of food and water, even though life was hard in places such as the desert of the Southwest and the icy Arctic region. Some groups stayed in such regions where resources were scarce. Okay, I know some of you are looking behind me, and you are totally distracted by the hot mess that it is. This is my craft area, and this is just kind of what is behind me, like my Christmas decorations and such. And this is another desk I have. So, talk to y'all later.